Joloch mag Prinsloo Sevens KCB RFC onyiso geno ni gibiro dhi nyime gi nyiso kitugo maber e sechegi ma gidhi e tielo mar Prinsloo Sevens machakore Nakuru Athletic Club kiny. Jobengi ma KCB go itayo gi kocha Dennis Mwanja noyudo loch mar point 15-14 kane gilo Strathmore Leos e tielo mar Driftwood manobagi e kaunti ma Mombasa. Bang' Prinsloo Sevens, KCB Rugby ema otelo gi point 22 ka thuolo mar ariyo maki gi tim mar Strathmore Leos manigi point 19. Cabras Sugar ni e thuolo mar adek ka Nakuru RFC kod Menengai Oilers ni e thuolo mar 4 gi mar 5 kaluwore kamano.
Because I was taking a rest coming off the World Cup qualifiers. Then I had to transition from the 15th side to the 7th side, which I believe I have taken enough time training with the boys. And the boys won the Driftwood Sevens. That's a challenge for me. I have to take heading towards Prinsloo. We have to raise the notch higher.
Looking forward to this tournament. It's been a long time. I was looking back and I saw it was, I think it's going to the 8th year since we last won the Prinsloo Sevens. We've been falling short over the years, but this year when we won the Driftwood Sevens, we also believe we broke the jinx that had held us back because it's been a long time since we won Driftwood.